Are you looking for your first vehicle, or are you a beginner and you're looking for something that you can start with? So with me here is a 2017 Mazda Demio, which comes tuko na predecessor wake hapa hivi, the CX-3. We have already done a review of that. Check out the previous video. So let me tell you what this vehicle brings to the table. This is how it looks like. This one doesn't come with fog lights, but looks very stylish. As you can see, the grille makes it look a little bit harsh and kasirika kidogo. So let us hop in here. Because it's a little bit dark, I get to give you a quick tour of this vehicle. So it comes with fabric seats, and then this one, remember, comes with a multifunctional steering wheel, but doesn't have so many features because you can only control volume like that. Take it next, all that. Nothing much. And then in here iko na some other features like I-stop, traction control. So I-stop ni ile yenye ukiuko kwa ukiwa pale kwa jam nini umekanyaga brakes for too long, inajipeleka off. When you release the brake, it comes on. And then when you see these free buttons hapa zenye hazijaekwa, this tells you that there are other features that this vehicle, there is another vehicle that has premium features of this one, na hii haina. So let me show you how it looks like up and down. So for instance, inakuja na, this is where you control this is the sound. Hii ndo una control nayo the infotainment system hapo hivyo. And then this is how it looks like. Remember, pia inakuja iko Tritronic. You shift to manual and then shift gears vile unataka. And then pia nikanakuja na sport mode. Usikaona hivi, anakuja na sport mode na ndo hii hapa. So during kwa sport mode ukishift, same for instance when you're overtaking, inakupea more boost, inakufanya like when you're overtaking the vehicle becomes faster and you get to feel vile ina accelerate. So unaona kama hapa inaonyesha ndo sport mode when you engage the sport mode. Let me show you how this vehicle looks like at the back. So this is the side profile, very cute, ndo kanaka. And then it looks like at the back. Fabric seats, remember, no AC. Let us test the leg room. Kikaa hapa hivi, well, not as comfortable, obviously nikagari kadogo, but well, something that you can start with. Sindo, how sio? If you compare the leg room for this and the CX-3, iko hapa, two different things. Let me pop the trunk and you get to see vile inakaa. This is how it looks like. So remember, this vehicle goes for 1.25 billion Kenya shillings. That's the best deal you can get. And we accept trade-ins. You can also do bank financing and all that. So contact me or inbox me, and I'm going to show you where you're going to get this vehicle. See you in the next episode. Peace.